Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need to confirm your carrier and plan actually support VO LTE. This matters because VO LTE uses LTE for voice instead of falling back to 3G. Once confirmed, update the phone OS and carrier settings, then enable VO LTE or HD voice in cellular or network settings. Make sure an active LTE-capable SIM is inserted and reboot the device to apply settings. If you see a VO LTE or HD icon in the status bar, you're ready to place your first VO LTE call using your regular dialer. Dial the contact from your native phone app or a compatible dialer. VO LTE is automatic once enabled, but watch the status indicator as the call connects so you know LTE voice is active. Keep the phone in an area with solid LTE coverage because VO LTE requires stable LTE data. Step toward a window if coverage is weak. Once the call is connected, you'll notice clearer audio and faster setup time. If call quality drops, switch airplane mode on and off to force reconnection to LTE. When you finish, end calls as usual and review call logs to confirm the VO LTE tag. This helps diagnose whether the call actually used VO LTE. If calls drop or revert to 3G, toggle the VO LTE setting off and on, reboot the phone, and reinsert the SIM to refresh carrier provisioning. Also check for known carrier outages or SIM profile updates. If problems persist, test with another VO LTE-capable phone or SIM to determine whether the issue is device, SIM, or network-related. That single test isolates the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.